20V Cordless Hot Glue Gun, GoGonova Drip-Free Fast Heating Full-Size Glue Gun with Insulated Copper Nozzle, Melting Glue Gun Kit with LED light and 12 PCS Premium Glue Sticks. Heavy-duty and fast-heating, full-size hot glue gun with superior 60W power is a smart choice not only for DIY, crafts, and home repairs but also heavy-duty construction or woodworking projects. Less weighting comparing to conventional full-size glue guns, the mechanical improvement reduces the preheating to just 120s. Anti-drip and anti-scald nozzles, variable applications from heavy-duty to simple crafts. This craft glue gun is compliance with higher safety standard. Hot Glue Gun, 20V Pink Cordless Glue Gun with 30 PCS full-size glue sticks, 2A rechargeable battery glue gun kit for DIY, arts and craft, decorations, gift for women. Long running time, this cordless hot glue gun can be used continuously for up to 1 hour. Which exceeds 97% of ordinary glue guns. Equipped with a fast charger at the same time, it only takes 2 hours to fully charge the battery. High-voltage fast preheating, full-size hot glue gun with superior 100W power, 120 seconds preheating is short as common light-duty glue guns with a more advanced PTC heating system, can reduce waiting time to start project quickly. Sparkler portability and convenience, cordless is more convenient. Operated with rechargeable battery, the glue gun can be used anywhere. The replaceable heat-resistant copper nozzle together with dripless structure ensure mess-free and work safety. No cord, bring it anywhere. Battery-operated portable glue gun is convenient for projects requiring frequent movements or quick finish. High-capacity battery supports up to 120 minutes use.